Baby,
We live?
you're alive, baby.
Come on, Pat, baby. Why don't you kick that off?
You're alive.
We want to thank everybody for waking up out your online church nap. You shouldn't have ate too much. Turkey necks, smothered pork chops, all that stuff you ain't supposed to eat. You feel me? Listen, I got some of my friends with me, y'all, and we're gonna set some vibes in the atmosphere. And man, listen, we kind of jealous, but not really. Y'all on your couch watching us, but we finna have some fun. Seven, you in there, baby?
You dig, man. Hey, look
Listen.
at, man, we finna talk about everything and talk about nothing at the same time. Take y'all around the world, but you ain't gotta leave your living room or leave your life. But we ask that you still continue to live your life as we breathe life into this mic, into these instruments to give you life right where you are. Analog Village on your deck.
Yeah.
Seven the Poet, I'm on your neck. Another day at the office, R&R Studios. No sweat, baby. Everybody kick on back as we take off.
Roger, can I get some keys, baby? Yeah. Get some sax, Brent.
Man, what we want y'all to do right now is go ahead and share this. Call somebody on the phone and let them know what's going on, you dig? We're a long way from home, people. It'll never be the same again. Coronavirus! It's getting real.
Charlie Murphy, baby. Charlie Murphy.
Hey, man. It's a beautiful thing, man, you know.
9-6 real, you good, baby?
Gotta stay quarantined.
Come on, Ro. The world is watching, baby.
Sunny side, baby.
Sunny side's finest.
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
That's right.
Seven, why don't you speak to him, baby?
Poetically speaking, man, you know, I just spitting game. We've never seen anything like this before, and we watch the world continue to change. No fight, no fucks. Somebody told me the other day, the world is cleansing itself. What if we're the virus and the world is trying to get rid of us? And that fucked me up.
All right.
But it was real, you dig? They say the waterways are clear. You can see to the bottom of the seas. Everybody forced to get off their phones, get off Netflix, get outside and watch the breeze blow through the trees. Ladies and gentlemen, we have left reality, and things will never be the same again. But that's okay.
That's all right.
Straight to your living room, we bring to you a vibe. Analog Village and I, as we coast into this thing we call music. You dig? Everything must be proper. What's up to all of you out there in internet land? Yeah. So beautiful. That's so funky, man. Let's see.